In this video, I will show you how to find available cars quickly and save time. Open the menu. Click Available Cars. Select the pickup date. Select the pickup time. Select the drop-off date. Select the drop-off time. Choose the transmission type, automatic, manual, or all. Select the vehicle category. You can also search by car name. Click Find Available Cars. The system will show all available cars for the selected dates. From here, you can also add a new booking. You can select all cars, or select a specific car. You can share the available cars with clients or colleagues. You can send them as an image with prices or without. Enter the phone number of your colleague or client. Send the information via WhatsApp. In the next video, I will show you how to send a booking confirmation PDF. Thank you for watching.